Happy June 3rd, 2022, YouTubers, Better Brainiacs, social media virtual friends. This is Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. This is going to be an extremely short video because I need to get ready for a hurricane, as well as I'm not feeling so great. I just sweated some toxins out, pesticides, after being in the sauna for like over an hour and a half. But anyways, I just wanted to wish everybody a happy National Chocolate Macaroons Day that I found out about from this site, nationaltoday.com. So for those of you that are stuck at home, want to do something fun with the kids or for yourself, listen up. You can go for, instead of, I'm sure you can find some recipes for chocolate macaroons, but instead of putting chocolate flavor, cocoa powder, you can use some of PURIUM'S products. Such as the following: Epigenius Kids protein powder containing the game-changing revolutionary biometric supplement that's been shown to remove 74% of glyphosate. That's the active ingredient in Roundup weed killer. Okay, I'll have a link to get this as also part of their PURIUM'S Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack. Okay. And this is what you're going to get with the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack. And especially for those that are going to be affected by hurricanes or any other natural disaster, this makes a great emergency food, survival food, as it has a shelf life of over 2 years if left unopened. So if you want to get it as part of the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack and get free shipping, since it's over $250, go ahead and click on this link here below. I'll have the links in the description below this video. If you just want the Epigenius Kids, it's also for adults. You can go to this link right here, tinyurl.com/1epigeniuskids. Oh, I got a typo there. I got to add an S. Okay. Anyways, and if you want it instead of Epigenius Kids, you can substitute for the chocolate macaroons recipe. You can put in PURIUM'S MVP Sport chocolate flavor. Okay. Anyways, I know this is a very, very short video. Oh, also, last thing, if you want some extra green, super green, blue-green algae, you can put in PURIUM'S cocoa mint flavored spirulina, and the link you can click on here. I'll create a shortened one as well, okay? Hope everyone is safe during the hurricane. If you're in the hurricane territory coming from the Gulf of Mexico, if not, hope everyone has a great weekend, and thanks for your kind time and attention. To learn more and up your nutrition game, just go to this link here, Linktr.ee/PUREANDPREMIUM. Enter my gift code PUREANDPREMIUM or Danny Zen. Either one works. That's PUREAND Premium or Danny Zen, DANNYZN. And if you want, you can just go directly to iShopPurium.com. Okay. And take care, guys.